Hello everyone. Let's learn the I and the U digraph sound. I and U sound, and we're going to name all the pictures that has the U and the I sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we have 3 letters here. I, G, H. 3 letters together, they are special friend and make one sound. I. Now, let's name the pictures that has the I sound. Light, light. Night, night. Fright, fright. Fight, fight. Right, right. Sight, sight. Sigh, sigh. Tight, tight. Night, night. Bright, bright. Well done everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Hello parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade resources created by an earliest teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational resources are designed to make learning fun and effective. I will leave the link below. I hope you like it. Thank you for your support. Now we have 2 more letters here. We have 2 O's. And together they make one sound. They are special friend and it makes the oo sound. Oo, oo. Now let's name the pictures that has the oo sound. Zoo, zoo. Spoon, spoon. Broom, broom. Roof, roof. Moon, moon. Pool, pool. Tool, tool. Cool, cool. Zoom, zoom. Wool, wool. Well done everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done.